Hello everyone, I'm Professor Matt with the Fundamental Investing Institute, and welcome to our lesson on the accounting cycle. The accounting cycle is a series of steps to take transactions from individual entries to financial statements. The process begins by analyzing transactions and deciding which accounts are affected. Recall that there are 5 account types. In the double entry system, every transaction will affect 2 or more accounts. After we determine which accounts are affected, we then record the transaction in a worksheet known as an accounting journal. We'll discuss the journal more in a future lesson. For now, we just need to note that the journal is the point of origin for recording a business transaction in the company's accounting system. After transactions are recorded in the journal, they are then posted in a ledger. A ledger is simply a running balance for each individual account. At the end of the accounting period, we then use those account balances from the ledgers to create an initial trial balance. In the double entry system, there are 2 columns of entries known as debits and credits, and the totals in these columns must equal. The initial trial balance ensures that the total of the debit column equals the total in the credit column. If they do not equal, there was an error made in one or more of the entries. If the columns in the initial trial balance are equal, we then make certain account entries called adjusting entries. These entries are made at the end of an accounting period to alter the balances of certain accounts. These entries ensure that revenue and expenses are recognized in the proper period. After we make the adjusting entries, we then rerun the trial balance to ensure that everything balances. We then use the adjusted trial balance to prepare the balance sheet and income statement. Once the statements are prepared, we then close the books. This involves setting the temporary accounts, the income and expense accounts, to 0. And that's it. Once we've closed the books, we're ready for the next accounting period. Thanks for joining me today. To learn more, please visit our website at fundamentalinvestinginstitute.com.